Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to center anything using CSS. Three common techniques I will share you. I think this method helps you a lot and save you time. So let's get started. First of all, I am creating a folder name CSS Center CSS Center. Okay, then I open it with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. Okay, I open it with my Visual Studio Code. Now I create two files. One is HTML file. So I give the name index.html and hit HTML boilerplate HTML5. Okay, then I will change the title. The title is CSS centering techniques. Okay, CSS centering technique. Okay, that's good. Now I also create another file which is CSS file. So I give it the name styles.css. Fine. Now I link the CSS file in HTML file. So I link css. Okay, style. So I give it style, so I add here styles. Okay, styles.css. Now I give one heading which is css centering technique. Okay, now I will open it in my live server. Click the right button of the mouse and open with live server. Okay, CSS centering techniques. It will open live server. Now I write CSS in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, I remove it. Okay, fine. I put it together. Okay, no problem. That's good. I just change the heading. I think HT is better. Okay, fine. Then I add two div, which one is parent, one is child. So I give it the name class. One class name is parent, and I take another div which name is child. Okay, fine. Now I will write code in CSS file. So in CSS, I first add universal selector, margin 0, padding 0, then box sizing, box sizing, border box. Now I uh, give some style of parent and child. Okay, so first of all I select parent dot parent, then I add background color bg I background color green. Okay, fine. Then I also give height and weight. Height 100 pixel, weight 100 pixel. Okay, the parent div is visible. So now I also add css in child div. Okay, so it will also visible then. So I am adding some styles dot child height 50 pixel, weight 50 pixel, as well as background color red. Okay, goes big, nice, absolutely fine. Now I also add border radius 50%. Okay, it will be rounded. Now it's time to place center the red element which is child. Okay, so I first of all I share using flex display flex. So first techniques CSS. So I will give a comment. First of all, I will show you using flexbox. Okay, flexbox or flex. So in parent, I add display flex. Nothing will be changed. Now I also add justify content center. Justify content center. It will be a little bit change. Now I also add run item center. Yes, here it is. The red element is absolutely in the center. So this is the first step technique I will show you. Now I am going to dive in second techniques where I will use grid. Okay, I will comment this all. Okay, now I am using grid. Okay, I also grid. Okay, so in same style, I copy this. Okay, I copy this from the parent element. Okay, then we remove display flex. Okay, we I also copy child style. Okay, child style. Okay, it's fine. Now I will add display grid. Display grid. Okay, display grid. Nothing will be changed. Now I add another property and value. So which is place item center. Place item center. Yes, it is fine. Absolutely. The child element is absolutely in center. So this is the second technique. Now I will share the another technique of centering. So which is also, so I will give a comment on this style. Okay. I also copy all style and some. Okay, I will remove the display grid. Okay, and I'll nothing change in child style. So in parents, so I using absolute third techniques will be using position. Okay, I will center the div using position. Okay, so third using position use, using position position. So I'll give the parent element position relative. Okay, then in child element I also add position absolute. Okay, nothing will be changed. Now I'll add top 50%, top 50%, top 50% and left 50%. A little bit changes. Now I also add another CSS value, property value, which is transform translate minus 50% and minus 50%. Wow, great. Another way to place any element in center. So these three techniques will help you a lot to center anything. I think you guys enjoy this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning and subscribe Skill Hut Bangladesh. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.